incredible Cap Camarat 7.5. We are going to explain how this boat is working. First of all, we have to make sure that the proximity key is nearby. Then the red cordon. The man overboard is in the position. And the engine is down, with the trim button down and up. For start, we have to make sure also that the clutch is in neutral like this. Here we can see also. And first of all, we have to push the power button. We have to wait like 3-4 seconds, and once we wait, we start. If it's forward or reverse, you cannot start. So you have to make sure that is in neutral. And then start. And the engine is on. Now here also we can see that is in neutral. If it's forward, we can see an F, and if it's reverse, we can see an R. Always for start, check that here is in neutral. To stop the engine, just we have to push the stop button like this. And if you're going to anchor or stop for a while, just power button off. Here we have the lights of the boat. Here is the power of the cockpit, all the cockpit. The deck lights, klaxon, the bilge pump, the water of the shower that is here. Here. And here is for the anchor. Always is better that we use the anchor from the front. I will explain you later. The GPS. We have to follow the GPS, like our eyes, very strictly. To zoom in or out, we have to use the plus and minus button. We have the red areas. Never go inside a red area like this. Always keep outside from these areas, and also outside of the red lines, never cross a red lines. Because if you cross a red line or go inside a red area, we have to remove the deposit. It's very important to keep out. The most dangerous place in the West Coast, in San Antonio area, is the Calicanta Passage. We have to go to the other side, always between the two big islands, Isla de Conejera and Isla del Bosque. Always between the big two islands. Never go through the small passage next to Calicanta. Even if you see boats crossing, don't follow them. As you can see, there is a red line. So never cross the red line. Always go here and cross next to the green line. Also, we have the boundaries of the limits here. This is East Vedra limit. This is the limit of the south area. And in the north, we can see the north boundary. Portanots is the other limit here. When you want to come back to the boat, to our position, just push stop button. To anchor, we have to check that the bottom is sand. Sandy bottom, white color, never rocks. Never plants, always sand. No black bottom. 4, 5, 6 meters to anchor. We open here. We remove the safety rope. And with the commander, we go up and down, down and up. Always we have to leave enough chain that the boat does not go backwards. Like the double of the depth. Or that we can see that is about 2 meters of chain laying on the bottom of the sea. When we went to carry on, we put the anchor up, and then for sail, we put the safety rope again for security. To use the anchor, always we have to do it with the engine on. To use the toilet is very important, that we never threw papers or anything. Always use the bin for all the things. To use the toilet first of all, we have to put the lever in water in and pump a little bit until there's water inside. We use the toilet, and then when we finish, just move this to the right to water out. And then pump until it's empty. If it's still dirt, we can repeat all the times that we want. Always when we finish for sail, we have to put the lever in the right position, water out. Also here we have all the security and the documentation of the boat.